Hi, this is Jody. Welcome to my channel. And I'm here with a book review. This is another one of my favorite flower books that you typically wouldn't think that would be for junk journaling or crafting, but it is. I have used nearly, if you can see the spine, I have nearly used all of it out because there's not much left of the book. So I wanted to videotape it before I used any more of it. So this is Flowers A to Z with Donna Dewberry. More than 50 beautiful blooms you can paint. This is the spine. It's Decorative Painting Series books. Okay, here is the back of the book, and the ISBN number is 1-58180-484-9. Looks like it was a $24.99 book. She has two other books, Quick and Easy Murals, and then Complete Book of One-Stroke Painting. Excuse me. So, let's take a look at this book. I'll show you how interesting it is. So, like I said, I have already tore out a lot of pages. I've tore out the front. So, this book is sewn in, so you can take out the entire page. What I like about this book is it still has pretty painting strokes and images of the painting, but on the other side is the entire painting of the flower. So I take the whole thing out, and actually I use these in my junk journals, or in my glue books. But look, every single page on the back side is this beautiful painting of these flowers. So I love this book. Here's another one. This is another page. But look, I mean, these are just beautiful. Just beautiful pictures. It's really thick paper, and it's not glossy. It's just a thick paper. It's just fantastic. I just love you could fussy cut these out too. I have already a lot of them. So this page I saved because I will cut each one of these out and put on a tag. Yeah, I just love these. Some of these were glued in, so I had to tear them, but this book is just excellent. So those are all tore out already. So now we can finish going through some of these other pages, but this whole book is full just like this. Full painted picture, and then other partial pictures of the flowers over here. And then I love the cursive writing. Absolutely beautiful. So I am in search of another one of these books. Because I do like it so much, and it is sewn in, so I like that. Look at how vibrant those are. And you could easily fussy cut these out if you wanted to. They're pretty large. Oh, and then I cut out already a bunch right here, so isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, and all I do is I take this razor blade that I have. It's a curved blade. I do not use scissors to cut out my, and this is all you do really. Let me zoom in. Sorry. This is all I do. You just push it under and turn it, and it's just effortlessly. I'm hardly even touching the thing, and I'm just pushing it, and the blade just cuts it. And so simple. It doesn't damage the book like scissors does. So simple. I love that razor blade. And then your page just pops right out. So then you have a full entire page. Look at that. Just love those flowers. So that is that book. Was there one more page? Oh, yep. Looks like she has a couple more, but they're not anything I probably would like. So yeah, this is Flowers A to Z with Donna Dewberry. So if you like that, check it out. It's a softcover book. It's just fantastic. I love it. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. All right, bye.